Tofu. A little bit of salt. Olive oil. Then mix. Now put it into the air fryer pot and bake it for about 10 minutes. Add olive into the wok. Sauté green onion. Remove and set aside. Not sauté white onion and ginger. Also remove first. Add a little bit of olive oil again. Then marinated beef. Beef marinated with sugar and salt. Then we put back the salted green onion, ginger and white onion. Add pak choy. Noodles. I forgot the name of noodles, or I don't how to call it. Then we can add the baked tofu now. Mix it thoroughly. Just a little bit of oyster sauce. This is done. Thanks for watching.